Installing the Quartix GPS tracking system is really easy. It takes around 10 minutes, and everything you need is in the box supplied. Start by locating the OBD diagnostic port. It's usually near the steering wheel under the dashboard on the driver's side. This is where you will plug the system in once you have fitted it. Now, mount the system at the front corner of the dashboard, making a note of the serial number before you start. Clean the surface using the wipe provided, peel back the tape from the adhesive strips, and fix the unit down. Route the cable behind the vehicle trim using zip ties where needed. Make sure you secure any surplus cable to keep it out of the way. Then plug in the connector and start the ignition. Run the engine for a few minutes. Our servers will automatically test the GPS unit for you and send a verification email to the address you gave us when you ordered it. Use the link in the email to access the Quartix site and enter the serial number and license plate details. You're ready to start using the system, and if you need any help along the way, please call us.